In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV to Klaviyo. We'll walk through this using the latest Klaviyo interface, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to take a CSV file of contacts and bring it into the right list without missing anything important. First, log into your Klaviyo account and look over to the left-hand sidebar. You're going to start by clicking on Audience. This is where Klaviyo keeps everything related to your subscribers and customers. Under Audience, select Lists and Segments. This section is important because CSV imports always go into a specific list, not just into your account in general. Once you're on the Lists and Segments page, you'll see a list of all the lists you've already created. Click on the name of the list where you want to add these new contacts. If you haven't created a list yet, it's a good idea to set one up first so you know exactly where these people are going and how you plan to use them in your campaigns or flows. After you've opened that list, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Manage List button. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Import Contacts from the drop-down menu. This tells Klaviyo that you want to bring in new people using a file rather than adding them one by one. Next, you'll see an Upload area. Here, you can simply drag and drop your CSV file into the box, or you can click to browse and select it from your computer. Make sure you're using a proper CSV file and that your columns are clearly labeled with headers like email, first name, or last name. Clean data at this step will save you headaches later. Once the file is uploaded, Klaviyo will show you a mapping screen. This is where you connect each column in your CSV file to the correct Klaviyo field. For example, match your email column to the email field in Klaviyo and your first name column to the first name field. Take your time here and double-check everything, because proper mapping makes sure your data is usable and accurate. When you're done, click Next. Finally, you'll see the import settings and a summary of what's about to happen. Review these options carefully so you understand how Klaviyo will handle existing contacts and any new information. If everything looks correct, click Import, and Klaviyo will start processing your file. Once it's finished, your contacts will appear in that list, ready to be used in your email marketing.